In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Wix name servers. So you've got a domain, and you want to change its name servers, but if you purchased your domain through Wix, you might already know that Wix doesn't allow you to change name servers directly. However, I'm here to guide you through an alternative method that you can use if you've acquired your domain elsewhere. First, you'll need to log into the website of the registrar where you purchased your domain. Now remember, this is important. We're talking about your domain registrar, not Wix. Once you're logged in, your task is to locate the DNS management area. This section is crucial as it's where you'll input your new name server information. Look for headings like Settings, Manage Domain, or specifically DNS Settings. It can vary between different registrars. Next, you're going to enter the new name servers. Your new hosting provider or DNS manager will supply these server details, so make sure you have that information at hand. This step is often where the magic happens. For a seamless transition, check any guides or help sections your provider has about inputting name servers correctly, because each platform might have some unique requirements. If your goal is to connect to Wix from this external domain, you're going to need Wix's specific name servers. These are ns15.wixdns.net and ns14.wixdns.net. Enter these carefully where prompted to ensure a successful connection. Keeping this information noted for future instances is also handy. Once you've entered all necessary details, there's a crucial action to take. Press that Save button. Not doing so could mean losing your entered data, and nobody wants to have to start over after getting so far. After this, head back to Wix's domain settings just to confirm the domain is now connected to the external site. You want to see that confirmation that everything's working smoothly. And remember, depending on your registrar and the DNS configurations, changes might take some time to propagate fully across the internet. This delay often doesn't take more than 48 hours, but being patient through this period is important. By following these steps, you should now have successfully changed your name servers, connecting your domain to its new location or service. It's a straightforward process once you get the hang of it, and having this skill in your toolkit can be incredibly useful for managing online properties effectively. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guided you through smoothly.